Google Maps is going to offer turn-by-turn directions on iPhone's Dynamic Island. Whoa. Easy there. That's pretty cool. Google today announced its Maps app will support live activities in the coming months, providing iPhone users with access to turn-by-turn directions on the lock screen and in their Dynamic Island, right inside your Dynamic. Welcome to Dynamic Island, where all your needs will be met immediately upon arrival. You're like, God, what need? It's like, you know what I'm picturing when I go to Dynamic Island? It's like Jurassic Park. Yeah, when you're coming into and you got the song playing.
It's full of wonder at the beginning.
Yeah. And
then a death trap at the end.
What is the song? Can you hum that for me? The Jurassic Park?
I remember it, but I'm
not. And then they made the meme of it. It was like, oh,
yeah. Yeah, the melodic version.
Introduced with iOS 16, live activities are essentially live notifications on the lock screen that make it easier to stay on top of real-time events. Well, listen, Google is often heavily focused on its iOS customer because guess what? The Android customer is already all in. Like, that person's all set. And sometimes it is a bit frustrating when you see like a feature. I'm not saying in this case, but just in general, when they're like, test a feature on the YouTube app on iOS first. And you're like, hey, man.
Yeah.
What's the matter with you? But that customer is really important to them. It's a huge user base, and they want to keep that customer interacting with their products. It's a competitive marketplace. Think about Maps, for example. Maps has to go up against Apple Maps on iOS. It doesn't on Android. On Android, it's already there. You got your Google Maps.
Yeah, there's no Apple Maps on Android.
But this is the beauty of competition. Will, is that it pushes you to have to do more when you have a competitor that you can identify. And so that includes getting yourself into dynamic islands if need be, as they've done in this particular case.
Very cool.